Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and today I'm here to share my page for Rosemary's open collaboration, hashtag color and create with us, you rock art. And I'll have Rosemary's link down below so you can go check her out. Please click on the hashtag and check everybody's coloring page. So this week I am sharing this week's page. It is a stained glass window of a flower, and I had lots of fun coloring this. I love doing these types of coloring with lots of different colors, and it was lots of fun. So next week's page is going to be this. It's like an Easter egg. So this is going to be really fun to color. I love florals, so that's going to be lots of fun. And that cute little bow on the top. So that is my page for this week. Go check out the hashtag and also Rosemary's channel, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Thanks. Have a good day. Bye.